You got to step out and show somebody, right? You got to step out and show somebody. What's up, YouTube? This is Expat D here. I'm here on a road trip. I'm going around different countries in the Middle East, and I want to show you the top 7 travel hacks that'll get you going when you're doing a road trip in the Middle East. All right, hack number 1. Okay, this is for different hotels. Okay, one thing I noticed when you travel abroad, a lot of times you get a lot of smaller beds. So you may get hotels, you'll get in this situation, you either get hotels that are too small, the beds are too small if you travel with a family, or you might get a situation where they're sold out and they only have a single room. Okay, so my solution to that is an air mattress. Okay, if you have an air mattress, this is something that is cheap. A lot of times when you get rollaway beds, they can cost, I've seen it as much as 30, 40, 50 bucks a night just for to get a rollaway bed. So they have the air mattress. You keep that with you. You can do it because you got your own vehicle. Okay, that saves a lot of money. It's very convenient. All right, here's travel hack number 2. You want to carry more than one phone. Okay, the reason why you want more than one phone is because if you want to use your GPS, okay, you can use the GPS on one phone, and then the second phone, if you want to like deviate to a different location, you could do that on the other phone. If you want to scroll on the internet, you can do that on the other phone. You want to have 2 just in case your coverage drops. Okay, you always have that GPS that can get you where you're going. Even if you lose coverage, if you put in your destination, the GPS will take you there. But if you don't have any coverage, the map will be there. You can follow the map, but if you get off of the map, it won't update. So you just follow the map on the phone if you don't have your coverage and it drops. All right, tip number 3, travel hack number 3 is you want to have an eSIM. Okay, when you're crossing borders, it can get very expensive if you go to the airport and you try to get a SIM. A lot of eSIMs are much cheaper, or you can get a bulk coverage eSIM where it can cover multiple different countries. This saves a lot of time and it can help you a lot, save time and money when you're on a trip. All right, travel hack number 4 is to have a power bank. Okay, just in case you're trying to keep your phone charged, you may only have one outlet because we're going to have multiple phones. If you have a power bank or 2, or even better, you have one that have multiple ports in it, this can help keep your phone charged. Okay, and help keep your entertainment going. Always good to have a power bank. Okay, when you're overseas, you know how it is. Okay, you might have to use use the bathroom, and different overseas countries, you may not always have toilet paper. Okay, you may stop off at that gas station or something like that. So you want to keep some type of toilet paper or tissue or something like that. Definitely important. Something you shouldn't overlook when you're traveling abroad, definitely on a road trip. All right, and my last tip number 7, this is to have like a portable pump. Okay, this is something that can charge into your power outlet, your cigarette lighter in your car. This can help you if your tire's a little bit low, you could fill it. It also would check your tire pressure to make sure it's at the proper levels. So this is very good. It also has a flashlight on it. So this is a really good travel hack here. Also, just in case you're like me, you know what I'm saying? You might always stay ready. You might have a little basketball. You know what I mean? You can pump it up just in case you do. You got to step out and show somebody, right? You got to step out and show somebody. Right? All right, so I'm Expat D. That's my 7 travel hacks, man. Follow me on my channel if you want to see more content like this. If you want to see me traveling around, I've been to over 35 different countries. If you want to learn how you can do that and really thrive abroad, check out my content.